My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. I have written so many books. One book is Venomous Fangs of Cobra. You can read it, and I expose the Islamic brutality and cruelty against the non-Muslims and the exposure of those Maulanas who are screaming that the Islam of the peace of religion. Islam is not the peace of religion, but it is the religion who cuts a non-Muslim into pieces. So this bloodshed ideology of so-called Prophet Muhammad. And Allahu Akbar is a war crime in 5 times in a day. In a day, because if you don't follow Islam, then you are kafir and has no right for living according to Islam. So many non-Muslim Islamic countries are ban this war cry, that is Allahu Akbar. So my dear friend, Allahu Akbar means in English, Allah is the great, and nobody is equal to Allah, because Allah is only for the welfare of the non-Muslims, not but only the Muslims. So this Allah is solely responsible for the welfare of the Muslims and solely responsible the killing of the non-Muslims, as the Allah is totally against the non-Muslims. And the meaning of Ya ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah means there is nothing, any creator than Allah. And the Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of that Allah. Means there is no God except Allah, and who does not follow this Allah, the stupidity of the Islam, as Prophet Muhammad launched this stupidity in the name of Islam, you are not a good person. You are not a good human being, because you are not Muslim. You are non-Muslim. You are not even a human, but your strata or status is below than the below than the beast. Even in Quranic verses, it has been stated that which are the monkey in this birth. They were the Jews and the Christian in the last birth, as the rebirth is only the mythology in many cults, as in Sanatan Vedic Dharma and uh, many except Judaism. So Jews which monkeys are living on this earth were the Jews or the Christian in the last birth or the last life before this life of monkey. So Allahu Akbar is a war cry in 5 times, means if a mu'min cries 5 times, which is known as namaz, is a totally war cry, because in every namaz or offering the namaz, a Muslim criticize the non-Muslims and pray to Allah that kill all the non-Muslims by the hand of the Muslims, and the power was or is distributed by so-called Allah, though Allah is a fallacy. Allah is nothing, but Allah was created by Muhammad for his vested interest. So many countries, the European countries, are trying to ban the 5-time namaz or the prayer. That is Isa, Zuhur, Asar, Fajr or Maghrib. These 5 times namaz means the 5-time war cries against the non-Muslims. It is very astonished fact that nobody is try to open his mouth for his destruction. for his devastation of his life and for his woman who is non-Muslim. Because according to Islam, a non-Muslim woman can be kidnapped by the Islamic goons or the Islamic robbers. Because robbery in Islam is not a unholy work. This is the pious or holy work according to Islam. If a woman is non-Muslim, a Muslim can kidnap that woman and rape without her consent, because the captured women are the slave of the Muslims. And if the husband of that non-Muslim woman is alive, and this woman in the capturing of a Muslim, the marriage of that woman will ultimately broken by the Goonism of the Islam, because she is the captured or kidnapped woman by a Muslim goon. And the war against the non-Muslims is continue forever. Jihad Asgar. Every Muslim in war according to Quran and Islam, which is known Jihad Asgar, means 5 times offering in a namaz is a terrorism. And the mosque and the Islamic teaching school known as the madrasas are the terrorist center where the terrorists are crying the war in the name of Allahu Akbar, which is a fallacy. There is no Allah at all, and a creator may not be alike as Allah. Because Allah, if suppose Allah is a creator, then why he discriminate the non-Muslims in and favoring the Muslims? It seems this Allah was created by so-called Muhammad, and after that the Abbasid Caliphate changed so many verses of the Quran. So those peoples are saying that the Quran is the ultimate book of sent down from the Allah by hand of the Jibreel, who was not an angel but he was a devil, because he sent down so many verses of the Quran for killing and rapes with the non-Muslim women. It seems Allah and the Jibreel are both are the devil, or they do the devilish work. So Allah is a devil, or even more dangerous than devil. And the Hazrat Ali, the son-in-law of Muhammad, and his cousin, first cousin, had a book, Quran, having the 17,000 verses. But now only 6,324 verses in Quran, or 606,066 verses in Quran. So this Quran is not a original Quran which were sent down by so-called Jibreel by the order of the Allah. So this is the fallacy. And what use of this fallacy at that time when the Muhammad was alive? This fallacy used for the fulfill the sensual desire of the Islamic robbers as Prophet Muhammad as his companions. This is the prime aim to the Islamic army which was founded by Muhammad in Medina when he was dragged out from Mecca to Medina, known as Hijri or Hijrah. He compiled an army of the vagabonds of the Medina and converted into Islam, known as the Ansar. And these Muslims who went with Muhammad Mecca to Medina, only less than 100 were known as Muhajir, means refugee. So this is the resentment of Muhammad against the Meccans, that he launched a unguided missile to destruct the whole world in the name of the Allah. This is why all the verses of Quran is totally against the human values, civil society, and social ethics. A single verse in Quran is not for the welfare of the all humanity or all the society or all the sect of the society. That is the non-Muslims, Christians, Jews, and the Sanatan Vedic Dharma. Though the Christian came from the Judaism and the Jain, Buddha, Sikhism came from the Sanatan Vedic Dharma. So these are the cults only. The only major religions are the Sanatan Vedic Dharma, Judaism, and the Zoroastrianism, which is primary ideology created by human only. No cult was created by any creator or Allah or anything more. Because man is the creator of all the God in the shape of for betterment of the society. But this cult that is known as Islam is not the betterment of the society, but the devastation of the society or the destruction of the society. Islam crushes the human values. Islam crushes the respect of the woman, not only the non-Muslim woman, but the Muslim woman also. Because according to Islam, woman has less power than the man. In so many verses of Quran stated that man is the caretaker of the woman by the order of the Allah. And by the order of Allah, Allah is the caretaker of all non-Muslims. Whether non-Muslims are not admit that this Allah is a creator. This is the dictatorship of the Islam, and this is why war imposed by the Muslims in the name of the Allah. This is the dictatorship of the Muhammad, that he imposed the war on the Jews and Christian in his vested interests. This is why I have to written so many books to expose the Islam. This is the book of the Panorama of Democracy, who exposing the Islam and the Indian Constitution, which is against the Hindus or the non-Muslims of the India. This is Discriminating Hindus by Vijay Kumar Pal. All books, by 10 books available on the Amazon, Google and Flipkart, etc. or Astita Publication, Bilaspur, Blender of Blasphemy. This book is dedicated to the humanity and promotes the human values with disclosing the fallacy of any cult or path which is against peace and harmony. So, the only path, only cult which is against the peace and harmony is known as Islam. So, my dear friend, Allahu Akbar, and offering the Nawaz in 5 times and teaching of the Quran and the Islamic schools known as the Madrasa and the mosque are the epic center of the terrorism. We must know it. Every non-Muslim must read the Quran and know the Quranic verses. Ultimately, you will understand that the brotherhood of the non-Muslims and Muslim cannot be possible in this world. Because Quran itself stated that there will no brotherhood or no friendship with the non-Muslims because they are too much inferior than to Muslims. How such type this Allah who discriminates the non-Muslims, and this Allah is only for the Muslims, and this Allah allows Muslim to kill the non-Muslims, to rape their women, and looting the wealth or the robbery of the wealth of the non-Muslims. It means this Allah is not a creator, but this is the fallacy that created by Muhammad. Actually, Islam creator is the Muhammad, and Muhammad heinous activities cannot be moralized in a civil society. Certainly, he is not a good person. And what is the blasphemy of the Prophet Muhammad? If he robbed so many caravans, then the robbery is permitted only robbers. So the nomenclature of the Muhammad can be as a robber, because he committed such crime of the robbery of the caravans of the Jews. He killed so many men and women. Their nomenclature must be a killer or the murderist. And he raped so many women and with the help of his companions, the army Allah or the Gunism of the Allah. His nomenclature must be as rapist with the help of their companions. Thank you very much. See you.